we cook it up nice and irate. Fried egg cheeseburger in the kitchen, feel the energy. Fire up the grill, let the beef patty sizzle. Season it up, make the flavor start to drizzle. Make the cheddar, let it run down slow. Top it with an egg, let the yolk start to flow. Lettuce and tomato on them.
Welcome back guys to our next epic video, and in today's video we'll be making the hamburger with a twist. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoning, and that's the onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and we have the Worcester sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and have it all mixed in, guys. And guys, you want to make sure you get that seasoning all rubbed into the hamburger meat. And we're using 2 pounds of ground beef. So that's evenly distributed now, guys. So stay tuned. Okay, so now you want to break it in some ball. You want to go ahead and roll it. And then you have it placed on the plate. These balls are evenly shaped. So we get the, you want to give it a little pressed in. So you get that all smushed up. Yes, guys, that's how you want to get the ball. Okay, guys, that's our 7 ball. So I think we're about to get 8, guys. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil just to grease the pan. Okay guys, you want to go ahead and add your burger meat at medium high. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 of them. So guys, you want to go ahead and give it a press. And guys, they sell the metal press in stores, but I rather to use the plastic, guys. So that's the press you want to give it, and then you just give it the extra press in the middle, and that will reduce the puffiness. So we're gonna let that sit, guys, and stay tuned. Alright guys, you want to give it a flip, because each side is just like, I want to say guys, 5 to 10 minutes each side. So that's the texture you want to get right there. And then you go ahead and flip the other one. Alright guys, we're going to let that cook for a little bit, and then we're going to get back to it. Okay guys, I did go ahead and have my onion washing clean. So I'm going to go ahead and get some slices of onion. You know you can't have a burger without the onion. It's either caramelized, raw, either way guys. You have to have that onion. So I think I'm good. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have my tomato sliced. Okay guys, I did go ahead and have my tomato slice already. I have my lettuce and my onion. So stay tuned guys. I'm gonna have these two removed guys, and this is how you want to get them. Just like this guys, so I'm gonna have them placed in the plate. Alright guys, this time I'm getting 4 burgers. Just that evenly pressed guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and press my second one. Guys, you could pre-press them before you put them in the frying pan, but I chose this way. And guys, you could get these pressed from your local stores. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have these flip. You gotta be a good burger flipper guys. Still in training. Good burger flippers. Alright guys, I'm gonna let those simmer. So stay tuned. Guys, you see how the burgers are cooking? That's how you want to get it, guys. You got to watch it carefully. And that's going to be a perfect burger. Alright? Alright guys, I'm going to have these removed. And I have the last set. So stay tuned guys. Guys, I have this 3 potato. I'm gonna cut them for wedges. And you could call it home fries also guys. Which is another name for it. They're not too thin and they're not too small. These potatoes are already washed guys. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Let's flip this. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese. Add in the second cheese guys because you want it to melt over it so you could get that cheesiness on the burger. Alright guys, so next you want to get the cover to cover it so you could have it. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and have it covered just for the cheese to have it melt, alright? Alright guys, you want to go ahead and have them removed. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and add my wedges that I did slice earlier. I ain't going to add too much because I want to maintain that crispiness guys. So you go ahead and evenly distribute it guys. And that's where you want to get it. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, you go ahead and check on them fries. As you can see, the less fries you add guys, it's much more crispier. If you fill it with potato, then you're gonna lower the temperature of the oil. See those golden brown wedges guys? That's how you want to get them. They're looking good already. Yes guys, they're looking lovely, so stay tuned. Alright guys, they're looking lovely. And the only thing they short of or missing is a pinch of salt. So as you see guys, they're pretty much golden brown. So we're gonna go ahead and have them remove. Just straining off the extra oil. We don't want to have that in there guys. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and have the egg fry. I'll break a second one guys. Alright guys, the eggs are completed. Have them removed. Alright guys, I already have my bun placed, so I'm going to go ahead and have the mayo placed on it. And guys, you could go ahead and have the bun toasted also, just the inner side and the outer side of the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and have it spread. You don't want to spread it too much guys, because you still want to have that spread on it, which is the mayonnaise. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and add my onion, my lettuce, and my tomato. This is the lettuce, so I'm going to go ahead and break it. I have it right there guys. I'm going to get some onion rings. I'm going to have them placed right there. And guys, you could glaze your onions too. So I'm going to go ahead and add one slice of tomato. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, here's the moment. You want to go ahead and add one egg. Add the second egg. And then guys, here is it. We have one egg cheeseburger. And then we have one egg hamburger. Alright guys, here we have our mustard. Guys, if you don't want to add the mustard, you don't have to, but it's just a preference at this moment. See there guys, a lovely egg cheese burger and a egg hamburger. Alright guys, there's your final result. That's the hamburger with a twist. So guys, do check the recipe out. I will place it in the description, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe guys. And thank you for watching.
That's nice.
How you feel about the hamburger?
All right. Yeah. I think it looks beautiful. The presentation is beautiful. All right, guys. That is amazing. Babe, that's really good. Yeah, guys. Juicy. Yeah.
Well, so guys, so stay tuned. Epic moment, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Fire up the grill, let the beef patty sizzle. Season it up, make the flavor start to drizzle. Make the cheddar, let it run down slow. Top it with an egg, let the yolk start to flow. Lettuce and tomato, on them toasty. Mayo spread nice, yeah, make it so tasty. One big bite, feel the vibe.